Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about percent of change. Let's look at our first problem. Original price was $140. The new price is $189. Obviously, it has an increase. Therefore, in order to find a percent of change, we're going to say P represents percent, P percent equals amount. This money we're talking about, amount of increase, over means divided by original amount. We're talking about money, so it will be the price. Let's plug it in. Amount of increase, this is your previous number, this is your new number. Previous price, new price. So I'm going to use 189 minus 140 and divided by the original is a previous number, the previous price. All right, let's see what we have. That is 49 divided by 140, and we have 0.35, 35 hundredths. And change it into percent, move it 2 times, 1, 2, you have 35%. That's the percentage problem for Question 1. Let's look at question 2. Question 2. Original price was $70. New price is $59.50. Good news. We have a price, decreased price. Okay. So this time we're going to say to find the percentage, we're going to say P percent equals amount of the decrease over original amount. And then you can calculate what is the percent of decrease. There are 2 different ways to do that. Okay. Some people say I'm going to just use the original minus 59.50 and divided by 70, and I'm going to convert it to percent. And some people say I don't have to figure out the increase and decrease first. I'm just going to follow this rule. This rule says new number minus old number, new number minus the old number, that is the previous number, new price, old price, new number, old number, divided by the old number, old price. I can do that. Let's see what happened here. We can do new, let me change the color so we can see better, okay? New minus old divided by old, okay? And we know we're going to get 59.5 minus 70. I'm going to get a negative number divided by 70. Don't worry, we're going to get it right. And divided by, and we have negative, and we have negative 15%. Okay? And remember, if it says negative, that means decrease. Okay? So 2 different ways. First way, you figure out increase or decrease by looking at it really quickly. You got it. And then you use the amount of decrease over original price. The second way, say, okay, I'm just going to follow this. New number minus old number over old number. So you pick your method, see which one you like better, and keep practicing. And don't leave. We have a few more questions. All right. Our next question is, we go to Subway. Subway, the original price is $150. And the new price is $1.25. Go ahead and figure out percent of change. Pause this video, try this. Alright, welcome back. And did you have, I can see immediately it's a percent of decrease. Therefore, I'm going to do a subtraction divided by original price. And I have 0.2 change into percent, 20%. Very good. That is a practice for today, how to find a percent of change. Happy learning.